Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comments area. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the max built-in function. Basically what the max built-in function will do on a list of strings, it will return the highest alphabetical character in the start of each string in that list. If you don't understand what I mean by that, you'll see shortly in the example. And then with numbers, the highest number in a list of numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to create a variable to represent our list A. And we're going to have a list of animals. Dog, cat, bear, turtle, and mouse. Alright, cool. So there's our list of animals. So now we want to know which one's the highest in the alphabetical order. So what we do is we call the max built-in function, pass the list in as an argument, and hit return. We get turtle. So T is the highest in alphabetical order. Alright, let's take a look at a list of numbers. Let's do A is going to represent a list of numbers. So let's throw in 2, 3, 43, 12, 56, and 9. Alright. And we'll go ahead and do max A, and we get 56. It is the highest number in that list. Alright, so how about we look at a list of if you will. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's clear our screen so we don't get all jammed up here. A is equal to, and we're going to have a list inside a list, which is called a nested list or a matrix, whatever you want to call it. A for 1 and 4 is going to be our first list, and then our second list inside of our list is going to be 1, 1, and 1. Close out those square brackets, close out that list. And now if we go max A, we're going to be returned 1 and 4. The reason we return 1 and 4 is because that list sum of numbers is higher than this list sum of numbers. So we got 5 and 3. Alright. How about if we call it on a list of a nested list of words or strings. B is equal to a list and nested list, and we're going to say bird, and then we'll do cat, and close out square brackets, square brackets, comma. We'll do bear, and I don't know, dog, and close out those square brackets, and we'll throw one more in here for good measures. We'll do turtle, and we'll do fish, and we'll do deer. Close out those square brackets, close out our overall list, and we'll go ahead and do max B. And we get turtle, fish, deer. Why do we get turtle, fish, deer? Well, turtle is the highest in the alphabetical order, so that is returned first. One other one I want to show you is it is also based on alphabetical order. So if I do something like this, A is equal to, or not alphabet, uppercase and lowercase. So if I do, let's do ape like that, and we'll do ape this, and we'll do bear like that, and bear like that. And we'll see what max is. A, max, A, and we get bear. So, bear and bear. Why do we get different? Well, capitalized letter comes first, and then the lowercase letter, I'm sorry. So that comes second. So this would be the highest, or the maximum, alphabetical order. So if you guys have any questions about the max built-in function in Python, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial.